to see Lamarr was here back with another video. This is the Funko weekend, which has spilled over into another day because, hey, I've been having so much fun with them and I had another box of Funkos to do. We have done Marvel on Friday, DC on Saturday. You saw yesterday's cereal video, like, oh my God, that was awesome. And then we have this random box. I mean, I know what's in here, but it's still random. It doesn't fit particular category like DC, Marvel, some just some random ones that I bought, and let's get started. I gotta stop stealing that. Okay, so let's start with I'm laughing because it's on top, and I'm laughing because it is literally my favorite movie of all time, which probably like, well, shouldn't it be Avengers? No, it's not. It's Tommy Boy. So actually I was watching Top Pops, and I don't know if he's at a store or he was showing his Pops. I think, oh yeah, he was doing a tour of his Pops, and I'm taking it because it has this plastic. I'm not gonna break my hand, and this is one of those protectors. If you are a collector and like to keep the box, they sell these protectors. This one came with one. You can tell it's kind of used, but yeah, that's actually cool. I saw this one on his shelf, or he talked about it. This is a Target exclusive, and it's Tommy in a little coat. Fat guy in a little coat. Fat guy in a little coat. And then he's like, split. I love, oh my God, I was so happy to get this. I'm more happy with this one than a lot of them. Bye, Tommy. Seriously, like, I watched this movie over 40 times. Like, there's no exaggeration on that. I love Chris Farley. So you can see the coat. Oh my, that is so cool. Where he rips the coat. Oh man, that is Let's go to number 2. This one, oh, so check this out. Remember back in the Marvel video, I had a Walgreens exclusive, was Juggernaut. I said there was 2 there. I did pick up 2. I don't know why I said I didn't pick it up, because I did. The other one was Star Wars Praetorian Guard. Walgreens exclusive. Oh yeah, that's right. Star Wars goes on these stamps. That's what it goes. Obviously, the thing that stands out to me is the red, but real cool nonetheless. So this will actually be the last random one, and the other ones are random in a sense, like they don't fit anywhere, but really cool. I was at Target. This is Will from Stranger Things. The box, as I think I showed it in the video. If not, it is jacked up too. But that's why it was $6.28. Noah Schnapp, the actor, the boy that's like stuck in the other side, he's actually a friend of the channel. He watches like all the videos. Noah, since you watching this, real talk, don't tell. Can I be in Stranger Things 3? I'll be the black monster. Like, I need to be, I'm trying to, I'm not getting any younger, man. I'm trying to get in some I'll do anything. I'll carry a pizza. I'll have an afro and everything and carry a pizza to like deliver it to the house or something. Just like, Noah, come on, man. Okay. Oh, ow. Wow, these are heavy. It feel like Legos a little bit. That is Will, also known as actor Noah Schnapp. Really cool. There you go, Noah. All right, these next ones are from a game that is on Xbox, and I have a special Xbox that is downstairs that you know what it is. I mean, if you watch the channel regularly. Cuphead, yay! So we have, I think I have almost all of them from Cuphead. Now, 2 of these are not the pop boxes, like the traditional boxes, because I saw those and I didn't like the eyes. I like the eyes on these because you actually can see them as eyes. These are the vinyl collectible, and so yeah, I bought that. And Tommy, will you just here? I'm gonna lean you right here. Okay. All right, so this is Mugman. This one is really nice. It has a nice weight to it. I like that it's like the drink that's in here in the head. I don't know if I showed that with the little strap. That is like really cool. Cuphead! I mean, it's your game. Why didn't I take you out first? I'm sorry. Why didn't I kiss Wonder Woman the other? Anyway, so this is vinyl collectible Cuphead. Ow! I'm actually hurt. Okay, I didn't cut myself, but man, that was close. Okay, so here's Cuphead, the star of the show. Okay, we got a few more. Now we're going back to traditional Pops. Let's start with Satan. Well, it's the devil, and that's his name. So this one, I like. Why couldn't they do the traditional box? It don't matter. I don't keep them in the box, but I like the eyes are perfect on here. Look on the back of this. Those are the ones I'm talking about for Cuphead. Here, there you go. I could have got those. I didn't like the eyes. That's all. Satan. Okay. Oh snap! Sorry, no. That is freaking awesome. Wow. Wow, Satan is on point. Get it? Because he... Ow! Okay, so now we have King Dice. Now, he does have the beady eyes, but I like it on him for some reason. So, yeah, I didn't like it on them, but on him, it works. Whoa, he trying to roll out some dice. That is nice. This is why I like taking them out the box. I am not a collector trying to get retirement at age 80 off these. I collect them for enjoyment, and this is an unboxing channel. So if you're actually sitting there pissed that I'm unboxing them, they're not yours, they're mine. I do what I could throw them in the toilet and then eat them if I want to. Why did I say that? Here's King Dice. 3, 6, 4, 5. I like that. I like that. And he got 2 at the bottom. That's I mean that. Oh, and the 1 right here as his nose. That is pretty cool. This is the legendary Chalice. This one definitely has to have a stand. It does. She can't stand up on her own like that. Okay. This time, I'm gonna grab it. All right, and then I'll throw this away. Oh, she moves. Wait, hold on. Oh, that's scary. Oh, does she do that in the game? I forgot. Oh, see, that's why I don't like scary. If I'm talking to her from the back, I'm like, hey, Chalice, how you doing? And she just stays right there and does like that and slow like, oh no. That's how she looks on the stand. Again, I don't mind her eyes like that. I think it's cool. Look at her top of her head. Get my face out of here a second. All right, that's going to do it for the random box. Not many, but we get, I mean, like, wow, this is looking a lot better than it did before. All right, here's the final collection. So there they go. We had now Lost is no longer Lost. I think I got that one for free from E3. That's what it was. Like, why do I have that one? And so those look cool. I put all these in one row just because I wanted to see if 5 could fit, and it can. Very cool. Now we have the Star Wars ones. It looks a little bit better. Has a Praetorian Guard there. We need to fill that up. And again, you saw the video of the DC and Marvel. If you have not seen those videos, go back and watch them to see my crazy unboxing. So if you're new here, please subscribe. I already asked you to like, but do it again. Big final thank you to Top Pops channel for just that inspiration when I wanted to get back started into this. Watching like 30 plus of your videos really gave me a lot of good ideas. So I appreciate you guys. His channel is below, of course. I'm sure a lot of y'all have gone already, or you're tired of me saying it. So anyway, I will see you all in the next video, whatever that is. Actually, I think I know what it is. There's a lot of stuff back there. Anyway, I'll talk to you later. Bye!
He's the funniest guy who gets the job done. Likes and how-tos, random bits, so fun. Man, he's so crazy, better pick up the fun. Lamarr Wilson.